Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Viney Wash period, and on this channel we will discuss so many things. So if you like, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the red notification bell so you can be alerted every time I drop a new video. So today we are going to try this Kiss French acrylic kit. I purchased this kit from Target for like $9.99 and it looks like it comes with everything. Let's take a look and open it up. So it doesn't have everything listed, but it says new bubble free acrylic formula and it says 40 tips, so that's like 2 sets of nails, right? It comes with natural tips, the clear and white, a brush, I guess, for the acrylic, acrylic powder, maximum speed nail glue, acrylic liquid, a nail filer. It looks like it's a sharp part and it's like the buffing part, as well as a cuticle, the cuticle tips. Look, I'm not a nail tech. So we are going to prep the nails, and how we are going to prep the nails, I have fingernail polish remover, and I'm gonna take a cotton swab to go in and wipe any residue or nail polish or anything on my nails. So now we are going to use the cuticle tool, and we are going to push our cuticles back. Be gentle because you can damage your cuticle area and you can cause it to bleed, so please be gentle. So now you're going to take your nail file and use the side of the buffer. You want to buff your real nails, and the purpose of this is to reduce the oils. And the way you can tell whether or not you have oils on your nails, if the nail is shiny. When the nail is shiny and you apply the false nails, 9 times out of 10 the false nails won't hold to your real nails. So just make sure you buff it off. Now it is time to apply the false nails, and you're going to take your Kiss nail glue and you are going to apply a little to the false nails and place that false nail at the tip of your real nails. You do not want to place it near the cuticle area. You want to place the nail on the tip of your real nails, okay? You're going to do that one by one.